Well, I know it's Thursday because it's election day here in Ontario. We have our provincial elections, so we're voting for the parties that we want to govern the province. So that's where I'm going now. I'm going to go and vote. So after the voting thing, we're going to do the boating thing. And we're going to do some work in the McGregor. We're going to chase some wires and hopefully find where they go. Make sure that they're solid, I guess. So the idea of chasing these wires is to find out if they are good still. If they aren't, we'll run new wires. If they are, that's great, we'll mark them and get them ready for the installation of our new lights and such. I'm going to be installing new lights inside the boat, and they will be LED lights. I'll be installing new fixtures too. The fixtures that were in the boat weren't really marine fixtures. They've rusted. Oh, it's spelled backwards in my phone. Done. So I've done my civic duty and voted. Just had to detour around. Got to go to the hardware store, and had to drive through the village. Ended up talking to a couple of friends in the village for a bit. Slowing my day up. Oh well. Hardware store. 2 2x4s. There's the construction. I had to go around. Usually I can go right out onto the street from here. We gotta go around behind the building. Oh, lots of construction downtown. Oh well. It is the season for digging holes in the road. There's my new mass crutch. Making it much easier to get in there. Here's one of the reasons I'm redoing the wiring here. Look at that. That's crazy. Anyways, a madman did this. So I have to fix it so that it's safe. Oh, look at this too. I have no idea what all that is. I think, well, that might be ground. I hope that's ground. Where's it going? Here's my new panel. What was that? Whoa! That let the smoke out. Wow, don't cross those wires. I'm gonna have to fix that now. In showing my new panel, this came over and touched that, shorting it out. Okay, so now I've got to rewire my alligator clips. That makes the wires really warm. Okay, that's not good. Don't do that. Be very careful with batteries. There's a lot of little electrical pixies in there and they bite. So that could have been worse. That could have been a fire. And that's why I'm not hooking up these to that mess. Because, yeah, it could be. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. I gotta fix this and then get going again. These little lights come on when you turn the accessory on. I was really hoping that they didn't, but oh well. I think I can remove those. We'll see. So this actually fits right in there nicely. So that'll be a good thing. This other panel, this extra one, with the bird's nest behind it, I'm going to be taking that out. I'll be putting in my charging station. So I'll have a couple of 12-volt outlets there and USB plugs too. I gotta start tearing that stuff out. I have to start identifying things though too. So I need tape and a pen. I've got a pen, need tape that I can write on. Started labeling. I should have got a flashlight. I'll look in there now. Okay. Oh look, there's some more foam. That's crazy. There's no ground going there. New wires through here for the radio. Hope that works. What I've done is I've taken the new wires, made a hook on them, and made a hook on the old wire. I'm going to use the old wire to pull the new wires through. And here we go. I'm going to tag these radio and leave them hanging there. So there was another radio here. I'm just going to remove that. We don't need a radio there. I shouldn't be surprised at how this boggles my mind, but okay. No, never mind. So how did he run that through there? But, okay, it had its own power source that came off of a speaker wire for a power source. Hey. So hopefully this can come out now. There we go. Whatever that is gone. I'll take that off later. This light, look, it's been full of water, just rusted out. So we're going to take that off as well. We gotta find the wires. Oh, I think that's tied into that one. Let's see. Up. Let's mark light. We're just going to snip this off and get rid of it. We don't need it. I've got another light that's going in there. This wire goes back to this light back here. So I'm going to tag it right there that it's so that it says lights, cabin lights. Oh, I know not to pull that out. Good. The V-berth, there's no lights. But there's a wire. This wire goes up through there. This is the old steaming wire, and where it went up through the cabin, it wore through. It goes up into a metal, the bowsprit up there. So that's not a good thing. So I'm going to hook this up to that somehow. I want to test that and see if there is power coming there. You'll also notice here, in the head. There's no light in there either. I'm going to install a light in there, as well as a light up here. Probably on the back of the head here, so it shines that way. One in the head, one there, and I'd like one on each side back there. Ideally something like that little black one, but we'll see what I can come up with. I don't know if that little black one's going to stay. Depends on the outlet inside it. So, looking at my panel here, I see running lights. I still don't want to put power into this panel because who knows what's going to happen. But I will put power into the odd single wire going back. No smoke so far. Go back and test this. That last test went a little better. Okay, running. And, oh, I better unhook this. Okay, so I'm going to mark running lights and the positive versus negative. We're getting there. Slowly. So, got this crazy thing. This crazy thing's getting it looped up. I don't know if that's okay to do with this, but it's what's going to happen. This wire was the wire that fed the two radios, and I think that's it. That was up here. What we're going to do is, I think I'm going to keep this as another independent feed line. We'll see. I'll leave it up here and I'll label it. I'll just chase it down and make sure I can find it and label it. Oh no, when I pull on this wire, that wire moves. I was hoping this wire would move. I don't know. Where that other wire is going. Oh, more bending and investigating. I figured it out. This wire is this wire and is that other one. It comes up here, it does a loop, and then goes up and over. And, well, it comes down to here, which, yeah, I gotta cut that off. It's just nasty. I'll label this now. So I'm going to label this wire power up top. Perfect. Okay, that's all I wanted. Sharpie. So, what do I have? I have a black wire, I have a red wire. They go to the back. I don't know why they go back there, but they do. I don't know if I'm going to leave them there or not. So I've been straightening up the wires here. It looks like I am going to use this little light. We'll see. I'll have to get a LED bulb. It's an 1150. I want to say it's 1156, but it's not. But it's not an 1157 either. I'll have to look it up. Okay, now. Oh, I'm going to pull this coax cable out. There you go. Pause it out. Perfect. Okay, clean this up. Basement, it's one of my favorite places. Actually took the bleach back. I sprayed some bleach in the bilge of the boat just to help kill any growth. Anyways, look who I find in the basement. It's Coleman. Coleman's not supposed to be in the basement, are you? No. You gotta be with Hey, Colin. There you go. New habitat. There we go. That looks much better. One comfortable monkey. Well, I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Click the clicky things and tell your mom to get out and make sure the wiring on her boat's correct before she plugs in the battery, because that could burn the boat. Thanks, sweetie.
Do you like some frozen yogurt with strawberry rhubarb sauce?
Oh, yeah.